Hello, my people. I agree the followers for untouchable mama. Una see wait, not the way they no go see for TikTok. Oh. So seller don enter one chance. This woman as he call her and tell am say she wan sell her soul to this to not to Lucifer. He wan sell am to this handsome boy. No be small thing my people because many people dey go there some dey really dey say dem wan sell their soul everything wey im dey talk im go dey talk dem go dey talk am follow am so as dis woman call na dis woman say no im no wan sell am to Lucifer im wan sell am to you wey be say you dey sell soul so make im wan sell his soul to you my people many people dey call in for there more na lis ten make I put the video for una more na watch wetin dem really dey do for there that's TikTok una know say many people now na TikTok na dem dey follow their na dem dey carry their wahala go dey do their 419 or selling soul or doing mami water and everything more na watch na bye bye for now.
You be obedient. Hello.
Hello.
Are you selling your soul? Good evening. Are you selling your soul?
I'm not here to sell my soul. I'm here to sell my soul for you, baby.
You are here to sell your soul for who?
For you.
Let's continue.
No. I'm not selling my soul. I want to sell my soul for you. You. I need you. I want you. Where are you in Ghana? I'm in Ghana.
My sister, if I knock your head.
Why am I bringing back me? My check for you. I'm bringing you.
Speak English.
All what you know is you be calling girls Olosho. So what?
Oh, you do your Olosho.
Why are you putting all these sixes on your forehead? And what
Let's
now?
put it in my
Give all these girls chance to see all your sixes come on.
If not my friend, I put it in my
baby, I love you, darling.
Oh,
see your lips, baby.
Oh, go and decorated goat. And decorated goat. Go and sit down. And decorated chicken. Disappointed spring rolls. You are not serious, my sister. You are not serious at all. Here we mean nothing but satanic. You are looking like a crocodile tail. Have you seen crocodile tail before? That is how exactly you look. You look like a crocodile tail. Don't be silly there. Bad bitch. Next. Please, you come here, respect satanic agent. I'm not here for wife. Please, me as a day here, I'm not here. Your soul, I need your soul more than anything. Please. I'm a proud Satanian. Don't be silly, my sister. Come and sell your soul to the devil. Please, don't listen to what people will tell you. Don't be deceived. Lucifer is the only man who can pick you from nowhere and position you where you belong. We're talking about powerful man of God. This is Lucifer. Next. Hello. Are you selling your soul to the devil?
Yes.
Okay, you do as I say. Respect is reciprocal. Anything that I will say, you respond accept. Okay, be focused, be you, be vigilant, be obedient.
Okay, accept.
Thank you. Anything that I say, you respond accept. Okay.
Okay.
La satanique l'accepte.
L'accept.
La satanique l'accepte.
L'accept.
La satanique l'accepte. Right now, your soul does not belong to you again. Let me take your name. Okay? You have sold your soul to the devil. Yes, right now you are a full-time satanic. You are a Satanian. So let me take your name and I will inbox you.
Okay.
From next month, you will be rich. People will think that you are taking exact money, but no. Goodness and mercy. Oh yes. Yes. So I'm done with you. Okay. Expect my message. Okay.
So where I go see the money?
Oh, my friend, will you be quiet? Relax. I said I will message you, and you are still asking me money here. It's here, bank. It's here, bank. Go and sit down over there. I will inbox you. Okay. Next, please come and sell your soul to the devil. Please, the devil is the only man who can pick you from nowhere and position you where you belong. When we're talking about a powerful man, that is the Lucifer. Please, Lucifer, I will praise your name. Lulu, I will praise your name. Lucifer, I will praise your name. Lucifer, I will praise your name. Come and sell your soul to the devil. Come and sell your soul to the devil. Come and sell your soul to the devil. Come and sell your soul. Next, please.
Oh, bro, good evening.
Good evening. Please, are you selling your soul to the devil?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes, please.
Okay. Anything that I will say, you respond, accept, okay?
Okay.
La satanic l'accept.
L'accept.
La satanic l'accept.
L'accept.
La satanic l'accept.
L'accept.
You are so. You see, this is the kind of people I want here. Let me take your name, okay? Next month, you'll be people who think that you are taking bad money. Don't mind anyone, okay? Sell your soul, invest your soul, and live. Yes, let me take your name. Okay, I've taken your name, so you see my message, okay?
All right.
Okay, thank you. You see, this is a, please come and sell your soul to the devil. Come and sell your soul to the devil. I promise you, change your life for you. He will make you the head, but not the tail. Next. Hello.
Email agent. Good day.
Hey, Papa, you said what?
I was greeting you.
My brother. Thank you. Are you here to sell your soul to the devil, please? Please, are you here to sell your soul to the devil, please?
My brother, I don't say this solo since last 2 years, but I never see money. Now only small money I dey see for feeding.
You sold your soul last 2 years, and so what should I do?
I can't even boast of 5 million in my account. So I regretted selling the soul.
Now go to where you sold your soul. Go there.
Is it not the same thing? So you can deliver my message to the devil.
Then go to the devil. Don't you know where the devil is? Don't you know the devil's house? Go there.
You are more closer to him now.
I'm more closer to him, and so what?
As the agent. So you got to deliver my message that if I cannot see a huge amount of money, at least I need like a money that can change my entire family, that can change my community life.
Do you think satanic is a government? Or you think satanic is a judiciary or executive? Or Madam Speaker, go and sit down with your red kuje. You are looking like a Mickey Mouse in bucket. You are looking like a Mickey Mouse in a bucket. Don't be silly over there. Please, be polite. Be you. Be sincere. Be obedient. Be vigilant. Be you. Be focused. Don't be silly, man. Next, please. Lucifer, who praise your name. Oh, some gift, I don't know your name, but you are just hello.
Hello.
Please, are you selling your soul to the devil?
No, Bukwegi dear, sell your soul, kill you dear. This boy, I never see Nigeria soldier or Nigeria mopo where go come slap this CCCs come up for your brain. You dey crazy?
Continue.
How is a fiance then I come twist this your neck where be like CCCs? Onya ala yakwa.
Continue.
Continue, kill your head there. No come up for here. Holy Ghost fire come burn your stupid nyash. Be like say this born where you don't already born. You know reach you. You want born join this one. Not come Nigeria. If we catch you for Nigeria, we'll use you take cook beans. Onyala. Come on, bring me down. Stupid boy.
Sister, thanks for the insult. Thanks for the insult. Next, please. You are lucky you were a woman. Have you seen how I do the guys? You are lucky you were a woman. Next, have you seen how I wash the guys? You are lucky you were a woman. Hello? Hello? Madam Signboard.
Hello?
Madam Signboard, I'm talking to you. You are keeping quiet. Please, yeah, you do as I say. You take rules.
Hello?
Madam Signboard.
Hello? I can hear you.
Oh, you are from Kenya, eh?
Of course I'm from Kenya. I want to sell my soul to the devil.
Which one is this one? Extra chicken. Who is that extra chicken over there?
The extra chicken is here, my friend, but I want to sell my soul to the devil. Leave that lady alone. Me, I want to sell my soul.
It's okay, madam, please.
But before I said I have a question. I'm pregnant. I am pregnant. I was asking if my baby will also be a devil if I sell my soul.
Madam, please, be focused. Which one is it? Am I a doctor?
I was just asking if I give birth, my baby will be a devil. So that I know if I sell my soul, I sell my baby.
My sister, you are talking too much. Please, be polite. Be focused. Be vigilant. Okay. Be you. Be obedient. Anything that I will say, you respond and accept, okay? Okay? Madam, is it her network or which one? Madam. Madam. Are you here? Please, are you here, madam?
I am here. I wanted to know if my baby will be a devil if I give birth.
Anything that I will say, you respond and accept, okay?
Answered me. If I give birth, will my baby be a devil, and which name will I give my baby?
You have make your waist like a gearbox. You have make your waist like a articulated gearbox. Do you think we are here to play? Is here a naming ceremony center? I said. If you want to name your child, don't you know your child's father? You have made your waist like an articulated gearbox. Don't be silly over there. Fine board woman. Next, please. I'm here to if I give birth. Which give birth? You yourself, we can't even contain. You are going to born another chicken. You the chicken mother self, we know they sit up. You are giving birth another chicken. Hello, nurse. Satanic gifters, J-Love. Next, please, be fast. Who is next? Who is next? Lucifer, who praise your name. Lucifer, who praise your name. Lucifer, who praise your name. Lucifer, hello.
Hello.
Please, are you here to sell your soul to the devil?
God punish you. The grace. I mean, who wants to sell myself to the devil? The grace. If I say who won't kill you. If like you don't know the people where they talk to, now your prick won't buy, na, won't buy your prick, you dey craze. I won't buy your prick. For my reason, do money for Nigeria, I dey wait for you. If you want to sell your prick, I go buy your prick $2 million US. If you want to sell them. If you know what, I know they call you, going to do a wait, say, for our strategic agency, we don't even know yourself. For our meeting, we don't even see you yesterday for meeting. You call meeting yesterday, you just there, they talk nonsense. If like say, I go kill you. If I see a girl for this success fest, I will just do you anyhow. Yesterday, we do meeting, we collect 20 something veggies, we don't see you. Yeah, before yesterday, we do meeting, we collect 30 veggies, we don't see you. Now to buy soul, Sabi, you dey crazy. When they buy so free. They buy so free. If I see you again, this your CCC self, where we say you know follow for our member, we don't do something we know like. Let's say the crazy. If I see you for this Nigeria self, for this Lagos right there, if I see you, I go just do you something I know like. I go just throw inside the water. Barbie will do meet yesterday. Who knows who see this your CCC there? You know come there. No, come here, come to talk anyhow. Come use our member. If you want bring member for us, we dey bring veggies. Other people we know something. Not be say this people, this mumu will be like you. So see, you see your face right? They see. I will just do something we know like. I will just do you anyhow. Do if you see face to face. Wait, I sleep today, sleep this night. If you sleep this night, you go think I go do it for this your dream. If I see you this night, if you say sleep, I'll come use this. What I go do, you know go like her. I go just say na the question I be. You go kill you. Who they buy so? Now your prick one by your prick come to Ajito. You know the Nigeria boy will be. Nigeria will be Nigeria the best so. You dey craze. You know the Nigeria they just they do anyhow. They just use Ghana nonsense they do anyhow. Come Nigeria me will show you say Baba they work. No be this your mumu way they do. Baba they work with you. Baba if you say that Baba they work, not be your side, not be your CCC. Who see over for CCC? Who know you? Who know you for Illuminati? Who know you? This bro, who know you for Illuminati? Bank you know you. Then we know you. Many people who follow CCC, they know you. You know they talk anyhow because they get that. But thank God say you know they're Nigeria. If say they're Nigeria, if don't come wire you slap, or who won't kill you, go punish you. See my time, you know they do anyhow, no they used to talk, they do anyhow. I don't the target where me and you go see face to face. Why will you slap? Why are you? CCC is where you be. Who know you? I want to say, tell me I remember where know you for Illuminati. You can't talk nonsense, you the crazy. Can't they use it? Okay, see, I make we fight for dream today. Make we fight for dream. If you get my make we fight for dream today, tonight, this night, I know say after 6 be this, make we fight for dream. Why you slap? Why you tell say that no banja I be no they do anyhow. God punish you. God punish this Ghana guy. God punish you. Who know you for Illuminati? Come for water, my case na water boy I be no be say na Naija boy I be, na Igbo boy I be. God won't kill you. God does accept. Who will accept your accept? God punish you. You the craze. Thunder. You see thunder, if thunder, where I go send for you this night. If he come meet you, you know will come live tomorrow. If you come live tomorrow, no say no me they talk to you. If you come live this tomorrow, if I send that thunder for you, if you come live tomorrow, no be me sir, I go just do something when you go like go punish you. Come the right 6. No need the drug cartoon. If you go, I go use cartoon scatter all your face. Even if you like yourself, I go even light woman yash for your face. I shall. Yo, they say that guess one knock in the fine. You won't go the knock go punish you. I shall. Come not tell us that Toto in the fine. No, Toto naka, Toto boy, Toto fucker. Now Toto in the fine. Accept. Toto. Now Toto come online, come the fine Toto. Tell us say you won't knock. No, open up. Tell us say that knock, you won't knock Toto, you won't knock Toto. Now my follow my be, we challenge ourselves in the grace. Accept you there. Who accept you and accept? You know beside your bunny boy, won't come do anyhow, you dey crazy. Still accept. Well, God see if you don't want to make anything go better for your life, go marry you. Find better woman, go marry. Because you don't say you get money, go find better woman, marry. No, forget this.
You see your face. Your face like a cow with a miscarriage pregnancy. That is exactly how you are looking. Like a female cow with a miscarriage pregnancy. That is exactly how you are looking. You are looking like elephant egg. Have you seen elephant egg before? Your face and now your tiny nose like a crocodile tail. Your nose like crocodile tail. You are not serious at all with your life. Your hard face like a cow with a miscarriage pregnancy. What a nut. You are not serious, my brother. Young boy, pompous. Next, please. Fisherman.
Fine boy, fine boy.
Next, please.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Please, are you here to
Good
say
evening. How you doing?
Good evening. By the grace of
Yeah,
God, I'm okay.
I'm here to sell my soul to the devil.
Thank you. Thank you. Before we continue, did I force you to come on and sell your soul, or you came yourself? Because I don't like how people are Christians are. Yes, did I force you?
Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't force me now.
No problem. No problem. Here you do as I say. Before we continue with the conversation, I would like you to have an encounter with Lucifer first. Okay.
Okay.
So anything that I will say, you respond like that. Okay.
Okay.
La satanic l'accepte.
That.
Please, you say l'accepte, okay?
Okay. L'accept.
La satanic l'accepte.
L'accept.
La satanic l'accepte.
L'accept.
La satanic l'accepte.
L'accept.
Oh, my brother, may Lucifer bless you, okay? Let me write your name. You are a very polite guy. In fact, you are a very polite guy. You have sold your soul to the devil. That is a nice. I'm amazed. Let me write your name. I will message you, okay? Let me take your name.
Well,
Don't
I
mind any.
have a question. No, I have a question.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Now that I've sold my soul to the devil, will I still have sense like before? Or
Will you still
I won't
have
have sense? Sense, yes.
You don't have sense. You still don't have sense. And from how you are talking right now, I can see still you don't have sense. And you will never have sense too.
Why now?
Oh,
Why are you
yes.
talking like this?
Because you
No, I
don't
have
from
sense
how you
before.
started talking right, you don't have sense.
No,
You
now
don't have sense.
why you're always abusive. You don't need to be abusive. I'm
I'm
just
not.
asking you a question.
I have answered you. I have answered you.
Will I still have sense like before? You know, before
And
I
I
have
said you
sense.
yourself, you don't even have sense already. So what sense are you talking about? You don't even have sense.
Okay,
Yes.
so now
The
okay,
value
so now that okay, so if I don't have sense before, I will have sense since I've sold my life to the
and I
devil.
said the value is still the same. Once you don't have sense, you always don't have sense.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You are welcome.
I will be expecting your message.
Don't worry. No problem. Thank you. Please come and sell your soul. Don't let us push. If persuasion fails, force must be applied. Please, right now we will force. If persuasion fails, force must be applied. We will force. We will force. Please come and sell your soul. We are serious. Come and sell your soul. If persuasion fails, here force must be applied. As always, come and sell your soul to the devil. Be fast for it. Lucifer will praise your name. Hello.
Hello, my favorite. How are you?
By the grace of Lucifer, I'm doing good. Please, are you here to sell your soul to the devil?
I'm here and ready. Let's get it started.
Anything that I will say, you respond, accept, okay?
Ok.
La satanique l'accepte.
La coco, la joie.
Extra chicken.
Sous-soit la carte. La coco, la joie. 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 Sous-soit la carte. La coco, la coco, la coco, la coco, la joie. Sous-soit la carte. 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 Let's go, 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 let's go. We are here to usher. We are here to usher. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Somebody must sell their soul. Let's go. 30% discount off. Free of charge. We are not forcing anybody to sell their soul. You must sell your soul. Let's go. Come on, guys. The money is free. It's not blood money. All you need to do is say yes. Let's go. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. You must sell your soul to save my brothers and sisters. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. Extra chicken, extra chicken, extra chicken, extra chicken. Let's go. Extra rabbit. Unwanted buttocks. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. He's calling, he's knocking at your door. You must sell your soul to. Let's go.
Hey, it's okay. Still it's okay.
Daddy Lucifer is calling you. You must sell your soul. Let's go, my brother. Daddy Lucifer is calling you. Hallelujah. Amen. Join the house of the Lord. Hallelujah. 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 Joy. Let's go. Extra chicken. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, Borua. Shake it, Borua. Shake it, Borua. Let's go. Shake it, Borua. Shake it, Borua. Yaka, yaka, reke, moko. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Let's go there. You must have your soul, guys. Come on. We are here for serious business.